Okay, straight. Straight. And then check arrow. And the arrow, make it straight. Okay. Handbrake up. Neutral. Signal. Release. Okay. Back. Back muna sa ano? Back muna. Okay, release. Back. Tapos yan. And then, gas. And then, 1.5. And then drive. D. And then, pause. Okay. And then, pagbaba.
Brake.
And then, control sa brake. Relax. Yes. And then, make it stop. Stop. Saan mo kinuha yung car? And then stop. And then, handbrake up. Parking. Release seatbelt. Hindi. Seatbelt muna bago ang brake. Okay. 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 Ano ka? Labas ka.
Good morning. Then, apak agad sa brake. Then, check the mirror, center mirror, side mirrors. Then, signal.
Ngayon, kung hindi kumibo yung ano, yung pulis, okay na. Tuloy lang.
Seatbelt, and then,
Handbrake down. First, ang handbrake ha. 1, 2, 3.
drive.
Yeah. And then, drive.
Sa pag, tita, baba, handbrake again. Yung una.
Yes.
Basta laging handbrake.
Yes. Puro handbrake. Handbrake. Tapos ano?
Uy, grabe, lipas na.
Tingnan mo, nakita mo? Oh, yan o.
Bumper.
Anong alam yan sa estudyante? Diba, nakita mo? Lumagpas na sa ano?
Bumper.
Dapat sitahin. Dapat sita agad yan. Kasi bumper to bumper na, wala na.
Handbrake up.
Tingnan mo ikaw, ang ganda.
Signal.
Release.
Back.
Then,
Then, accelerator.
ready.
Ready. Put the drive.
Drive.
1.5 RPM. Then, release the handbrake.
Then, 1, 2. I-make it sure na ang steering talaga
Straight.
straight talaga siya ha. Kasi binigay ko na yung pattern ng steering.
Tita, hindi pa rin nag-ano si,
Sino?